antenna at N4LQ. It's an 80-meter dipole, 130 feet long, a doublet as it's sometimes called. This is my feed line going up and to the very top. And we go 65 feet over this way to an insulator, then to that tree, and back to the center, and then we go over this way. It's very hard to see out here in the sun, and the end of that end is about 30 feet above ground, if you can see it. Now the feed line comes down. Got an insulator here where it's tied off. Got a little slack here kind of looped around. And it goes into this cabinet. And inside this cabinet is the MFJ 998 auto tuner. And besides that, we have a pair of relays. One relay is to unhook and ground the feed line, and the other is to reverse the polarity of the feed line. Here's the tuner. Down here is the outlet strip and a little power supply for the tuner. And there's a control cable right there on the right of the strip, and that's 7 conductors. It goes into a couple of switches on my operating desk, so I can, when I turn the power off for the tuner, it also deactivates this relay, which grounds the feed line and unhooks the feed line from the tuner. And then I can reverse the feeders, as I said. Now that actually has a directional effect, because the feed line is going to the antenna, which is slightly unbalanced because one side is closer to the ground than the other. And here we have a balun. This is a 1-to-1 current type balun. I got the design off the internet, and it's supposed to be very effective down to and including 160 meters. This goes in series with the LMR 240 coax, which is going to the shack. Close it back up. I put some insulation around the crack in the door here to kind of keep the rain out, and so far it's done really well. I picked this cabinet up at Target, and I think it was around $50 or so. So my coax here goes over and across to a switch right here. And the switch is a 2-position coax switch, so I can direct the antenna from either to the shack inside the house or out here to the workshop. And I've got several grounds out there at the tuner box, including the house ground, which the electric entrance is right next to it, so it makes it easy. There you have it.